In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add icons in Squarespace. Whether you're customizing your website to enhance its look or making navigation more intuitive for your visitors, adding icons can be a fantastic way to elevate your site's aesthetic. So, without further ado, let's dive right into it. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace's website. If you're not already logged in, make sure to do so using your credentials. Being logged in gives you full access to your account and any websites you're currently managing. Once you're on the home page, you'll notice a button labeled Get Started. Go ahead and click on that. This will guide you to your dashboard, which is essentially the control center for all things related to your site. Now, upon reaching the dashboard, locate and click on Edit Site. This section allows you to make changes and updates to your website's layout and content. Once you are in edit mode, look around and familiarize yourself with the options available. You'll want to find the Add Block button. Think of blocks as building units you can add to your page, like text, images, or buttons. Depending on what type of icon you want to add, there are a few different methods available. You can use the built-in social links feature, incorporate images, or even use custom CSS to include icon fonts. For the sake of this example, we'll focus on using images to add our icons. This method is straightforward and offers a high degree of customization. Go ahead and click on Images, and when prompted, click the plus button to upload the icon image you want to use. Make sure your icon is saved in a suitable format like PNG or JPEG for best results. Once the image uploader opens, find your icon file and upload it. Once your icon is uploaded to the platform, you'll have several customization options at your disposal. You can adjust the sizing, ensuring it fits well within your site's layout without overshadowing other elements. You can also experiment with the placement to ensure it catches the eye but doesn't disrupt the flow of content. If you want your icon to serve a dual purpose, consider adding a hyperlink to it. That way, clicking the icon could navigate a user to another section of your site or an external page. And don't forget, there's an option to add a bit of flair by applying animations. If used wisely, animations can make your icons look more interactive and engaging. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, it's time to save your changes. Simply click on the Save button, and voila! Your icon is now part of your Squarespace site. And there you have it. Adding icons is a simple yet effective way to enrich your web page. Give it a try and see how these visual elements can make your site more dynamic and engaging for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing.